Hi everyone, summer is coming. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare to make your pot beautiful so you're not only sitting outside, enjoy your summer with beautiful flowers surrounding you. So let's get ready. Creating the pot is not hard at all. Just following my direction, then you will have a beautiful flower for yourselves. Though flower, you can buy them anywhere. I normally buy from nursery. You can buy them from Home Depot, Menard, anywhere you see flower. And this is for shade. If your house is fully sun, you cannot use the flower because this is for park sun and shades only. These flowers, because I just put it down, they don't look so big, but they will grow twice bigger. So when you're doing it, just make sure you give them some room so they can able to grow. Here the flower that I get it for today. I'm gonna do two parts, but I'm gonna show you one part only. The second part will be kind of look exactly the same. I have one 10-inch palm for the centerpiece. I got 3 big geranium with pink color. I got 2 fuchsia, 3 white impatient, 2 orange impatient, and 3 yellow ribby, 4 small verbena, 2 Rex Begonia. That's all I need for today for the pot. First of all, let's prepare for the pot. I put the new soil, potting soil, into the pot. Because the palm is really big, so I'm going to dig the hole really deep down. Make sure you always lose the root so they can able to grow better. So now I'm going to put down the center. Cover them with soil. Then I'm going to trim all the yellow leaf, the unhealthy leaf, so the palm tree will look better. Throughout the summer, I'm still trimming them every another day, every another week. Make sure you water them thoroughly too. I got a geranium. I got 3 in one big pot. I divide them out by 3. And I put them next to the palm tree. I got 3 yellow ribby. They kind of wide coming down. Right now they're really short, not long at all. But eventually they will grow really long and drip it down all the way to the bottom of the pot. It make the pot look more wiry. It look better. I will divide them by 3. Then I'm gonna add 3 white impatient in between the flower to break the color out, because I have in fuchsia like a really neon pink, and then now I put the white next to it. Because the pot is inside smaller and bigger outside, now I need 4 orange impatient and put in between 3 white impatient. As always, make sure you lose the root so the plant can grow better. See, now I put them down and next to each other. Because at the sitting area, when you're looking into the pot, I need the center in the front and the back of the pot. So now I have 2 infuser. I'm going to put one in the front and one in the back. But because the back, I would like to put 2 Rex Begonia in the back with the Rex leaf so they can be in the background. And these gonna grow really tall so they can be in my background. After I put them down, divide them out. In front, of course, I didn't have the rest leaf, so in my pot, it's kind of missing. I'm gonna put the white flower, the verbena, in the front, so they look a little different, and that's for the center. You kind of like always need some white flower in there just to break the colors, and when they grow bigger, they look a lot better. And again, make sure you don't compact them all together. Give them some room so they can able to grow. See how easy is that? The pot already done. So now you kind of know how to do your own flower. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more detail. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for me. See you next video. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Chúc các bạn một ngày an lành.